In this video, you'll learn how to install Claude Code with Python on a Windows system. By following these instructions, you will be able to set up your environment and run a simple Claude Code script successfully. Begin by navigating to the official Python website. In your web browser, enter the URL for the download section, which is specifically for Windows. Once the page loads, locate the download link for Python 3.12 or a newer version. Click the link to download the installer for the latest version available. After the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder and double-click it to run the installer. During the installation process, ensure that you check the box that says Add Python to Path. This step is crucial as it allows you to run Python from the command prompt. Once you have made that selection, click on Install Now to begin the installation. To verify that Python has been installed correctly, open the command prompt. You can do this by searching for key D in the Windows search bar, then pressing Enter. In the command prompt window, type Python-version and press Enter. If Python is installed correctly, you should see a version number like Python 3.121 displayed on the screen. Next, you need to check if pip is installed, which is the package manager for Python. In the same command prompt window, type pip-version and press Enter. If a version number appears, pip is already installed. If not, you can install it by typing Python-M, ensure pip-upgrade, and pressing Enter. This command will ensure that pip is available for managing Python packages. Now let's create a project folder to keep your Claude Code projects organized. In the command prompt, type mkdir Claude_project and press Enter to create the new folder. After that, enter cd Claude_project to navigate into this newly created folder. This organization helps you manage your projects more effectively. To install the Claude Code Python package, you will need to use pip. In the command prompt, type pip install Claude Code and press Enter. This command will download and install the package from the Python package index. Once the installation completes, you can verify it by typing Python-C import Claude_code, print Claude Code installed successfully, and pressing Enter. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a confirmation message in the terminal. Now, Claude Code requires an API key to connect to its service. You need to sign up on the Claude AI website to obtain your API key. After signing up, navigate back to your project folder and create a new file named quote.env. In this file, you will store your API key in the format cldd_API_key_key_key_key_key here. Make sure to replace your lackey key here with the actual key you receive. To read the dev.env file in your Python script, you need to install the Python.env package. In the command prompt, type pip install Python.env and press Enter. This package allows your script to load environment variables from the managev file easily. Next, create a new Python file called test_cloud.py in your project folder. Open this file in a text editor and input the following code. First, import the necessary libraries, including OSDoso code. Load the API key using load_.nux and retrieve it with oso.getEnd cld_API_key. Then initialize the Claude Code client with the API key and use it to generate a simple Python. Finally, print the response. To run your script, return to the command prompt and type Python test_claude.py before pressing Enter. You should see Claude Code generate Python code displayed in the terminal, indicating that everything is functioning correctly.